Dear students, here we are going to discuss the topic of difference between the multiplexer and decoder. Multiplexer is a combinational logic circuit which accepts the 2 power n input lines and only one output lines, which is called as multiplexer. Whereas a combinational logic circuit which has an n input lines and a maximum of 2 power n output line, which is known as the decoder. So max means which has 2 power n input lines and only one output line, so which is 2 power n is to 1. Decoder is which has the n input lines and a maximum 2 power n output lines, which is called as decoder. So a mux select one of the several input and transmit the selected input to a single output. So the mux select the one of the several input and transmit selected input signal to a single output. Whereas decoder accepts the n input binary codes and converts them into a corresponding output signals. So the main function of mux is to transmit the data signal. The main function of mux is to transmit the data signal. In decoder, main function is to interrupt the coded data, right? To interrupt the coded data. In mux, the selection lines are used to control the operation, that is, select line determine that which input signal is allowed to the pass to this output circuit. Whereas in a decoder which has an enable input which controls the operation of that circuit. Based on the number of input and output lines, there are a common type of multiplexer is available, which is nothing but 2:1, 4:1, 8:1, 16:1, 13:1 mux. Similarly, decoder types are 2:4 decoder, 3:8 decoder and 4:16 decoder. Then mux is used in many applications such as communication systems, data routing, waveform generator and computer memories, etc. Whereas decoder applications are 7-segment display, addressing decoding in memory system, control units, networking and telecommunication system. So that's all about the difference of multiplexer and decoder, right?